சன் தேஜஸ் ஆதி பொதுஅறிவு சார்ந்த ஒரு யூடியூப் சேனலாகும். இந்த பாடத்திற்கான கேள்வி பதிலை டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸில் கொடுத்துள்ளேன், சரிபார்த்துக் கொள்ளவும். அத்துடன் எனது சேனல்களின் இணைப்பும் உள்ளது.
1. The deflection of the winds to the right in the northern hemisphere is caused by 1. Revolution of the Earth, 2. Rotation of the Earth, 3. Uneven heating of the Earth, 4. All the above, 2. Atmospheric pressure exerted on Earth is due to 1. Rotation of Earth, 2. Revolution of Earth, 3. Gravitational pull, 4. Uneven heating of Earth, 3. Which one of the following has the highest wind velocity? 1. Typhoon, 2. Hurricane, 3. Cyclone, 4. Tornado, 4. Speed of wind is measured by 1. Barometer, 2. Hygrometer, 3. Thermometer, 4. Anemometer, 5. Trade winds are due to 1. Conduction, 2. Convection, 3. Radiation, 4. Scattering, 6. Ozone hole in the atmosphere is largely caused by the presence of 1. Oxygen, 2. Hydrogen, 3. Chlorofluorocarbon, 4. Radioactive waste, 7. The term roaring forties is related to the 1. Trade winds, 2. Planetary winds, 3. Westerlies, 4. Polar winds, 8. The line on a map connecting points of equal temperature at a given time is 1. Isohyet, 2. Isobar, 3. Isthmus, 4. Isotherm, 9. Where does most of the weather phenomena take place? 1. Ionosphere, 2. Troposphere, 3. Stratosphere, 4. Tropopause, 10. Very strong and cold icy winds that blow in the polar regions are called 1. Typhoons, 2. Tornadoes, 3. Blizzards, 4. Polar winds, 11. Condensation is the reverse of 1. Vaporization, 2. Smog, 3. Cirrus cloud, 4. Fog, 12. Daily weather changes in the atmosphere are associated with 1. Troposphere, 2. Mesosphere, 3. Ionosphere, 4. Stratosphere, 13. Tropical storm in Chinese Sea is known as 1. Wave, 2. Tornado, 3. Typhoon, 4. Cyclone, 14. Convectional rainfall occurs in 1. Equatorial region, 2. Temperate region, 3. Tropical region, 4. Polar region, 15. Land and sea breezes occur due to 1. Conduction, 2. Convection, 3. Radiation, 4. Tides, 16. Trade winds blow from the 1. Equatorial low pressure, 2. Polar high pressure, 3. Subtropical high pressure, 4. Subpolar low pressure, 17. Equatorial regions experience 1. Warm and dry climate, 2. Hot and humid climate, 3. Wet and windy climate, 4. Moderately pleasant climate, 18. What happens to atmospheric pressure with increase in altitude? 1. It remains constant, 2. It decreases, 3. It increases, 4. It constantly fluctuates, 19. Mediterranean type of climate is characterized by 1. Dry summer and wet winter, 2. Wet summer and dry winter, 3. Dry summer and dry winter, 4. Wet summer and wet winter, 20. Which of the following winds is called anti-trade wind? 1. Chinook, 2. Cyclone, 3. Typhoon, 4. Westerlies, 21. The solar radiation coming to Earth is called 1. Radiant energy, 2. Insolation, 3. Sunshine, 4. Terrestrial radiation, 22. Hailstorms are caused due to 1. Condensation, 2. Convection, 3. Sublimation, 4. Freezing, 23. Blizzards are characteristic features of 1. Equatorial region, 2. Tropical region, 3. Antarctic region, 4. Temperate region, 24. If there is no carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere, the temperature of Earth's surface would be 1. Dependent on the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere, 2. Higher than the present, 3. Less than the present, 4. The same, 25. Name the continent where tundra type of climate is not found. 1. Europe, 2. Asia, 3. Africa, 4. North America, 26. Which one of the following is not the example of planetary winds? 1. Monsoon, 2. Trade wind, 3. Land and sea breezes, 4. Chinook, 27. The climate of North America is influenced during winter by the 1. Polar air masses, 2. Warm air masses, 3. Continental air masses, 4. Tropical air masses, 28. Storms of gases are visible in the chromosphere of the Sun during 1. Cyclones, 2. Anticyclones, 3. Lunar eclipse, 4. Solar eclipse, 29. Recharging of water table depends on 1. Amount of rainfall, 2. Relief of the area, 3. Vegetation of the area, 4. Amount of percolation, 30. In atmosphere the lowermost layer is 1. Troposphere, 2. Exosphere, 3. Ionosphere, 4. Stratosphere, 31. The lower layer of atmosphere is called 1. Exosphere, 2. Troposphere, 3. Ionosphere, 4. Mesosphere, 32. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the lists. List I, A. Australia, B. China, C. France, D. West Indies. List 2, 1. Hurricane, 2. Willy Willy, 2. Typhoon, 4. Mistral, code, ABCD, 1, 2143, 2, 1234, 3, 1324, 4, 4123, 33. Which is the lowest layer of the atmosphere? 1. Troposphere, 2. Stratosphere, 3. Mesosphere, 4. Thermosphere, 34. Which one of the following represent the lines joining the places of equal rainfall? 1. Isohypses, 2. Isohalines, 3. Isobars, 4. Isohyates, 35. Depression formed due to deflating action of winds are called 1. Beaches, 2. Yardang, 3. Ventifax, 4. Sand dunes, 36. Which one of the following is the highest cloud? 1. Cirrus, 2. Stratocumulus, 3. Nimbostratus, 4. Cumulus, 37. Troposphere is the hottest part of the atmosphere because 1. It is closest to the Sun, 2. There are charged particles in it, 3. It is heated by the Earth's surface, 4. Heat is generated in it, 38. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is 1. Stratosphere, 2. Thermosphere, 3. Troposphere, 4. Mesosphere, 39. The zone of Earth's atmosphere immediately above its surface up to a height of about 16 kms above equator and 8 kms over the poles is known as 1. Mesosphere, 2. Thermosphere, 3. Troposphere, 4. Stratosphere, 40. Which one of the following is called as Roaring 40? 1. Winds blowing in southern hemisphere between 400-600 s, 2. Winds blowing in northern hemisphere between 400-600 n, 3. Very cold winds which blow in winters, 4. Very hot and fast blowing summer winds, 41. Air mass near to the Earth's surface is warmer because it 1. Radiates heat, 2. Contains dust particles, 3. Is warmed by terrestrial radiation, 4. Is far from the Sun, 42. Which one of the following is called northeaster? 1. cold and fast-blowing winds in northern hemisphere that move from subpolar to polar regions. 2. Cold and fast-blowing winds in South Pole region. 3. Cold and fast-blowing winds from the polar region in northern hemisphere. 4. Winds blowing towards Kazakhstan in Central Asia. 43. Density of the Earth's atmosphere is highest in the 1. Troposphere, 2. Stratosphere, 3. Mesosphere, 4. Ionosphere. 44. Which of the following absorbs part of the insolation and preserves Earth's radiated heat? 1. Oxygen, 2. Nitrogen, 3. Water vapor, 4. Carbon dioxide. 45. Cyclones are caused due to 1. Low pressure, 2. High pressure, 3. Low temperature, 4. High density. 46. What is a tornado? 1. A very high pressure center, 2. A very low pressure center, 3. A very high ocean wave, 4. A planetary wind. 47. Katrina is the name given to 1. Satellite, 2. Star, 3. Heat wave, 4. Hurricane. 48. In which region does rainfall occur throughout the year? 1. Mediterranean, 2. Equatorial, 3. Tropical, 4. Temperate. 49. The vertical movement of air is termed as 1. Wind, 2. Air current, 3. Air turbulence, 4. Air mobility. 50. The atmospheric layer closest to the Earth is 1. Mesosphere, 2. Hydrosphere, 3. Troposphere, 4. Ionosphere. 51. Frontal rain is caused by 1. Convection current, 2. Winds from sea, 3. Cyclonic activity, 4. Condensation of water evaporated from mountains. 52. Smog is a combination of 1. Air and water vapor, 2. Water and smoke, 3. Fire and water, 4. Smoke and fog. 53. Which one of the four regions above the Earth has smallest height, kilometer? 1. Stratosphere, 2. Mesosphere, 3. Thermosphere, 4. Troposphere. 54. Typhoons are common in the 1. Arctic Ocean, 2. Seas of China and Japan, 3. Mexican Gulf, 4. Indian Ocean. 55. Wind rose represents 1. Wind turbulence, 2. Wind data, 3. Wind pressure, 4. Wind temperature. 56. The layer of the atmosphere in which radio waves are reflected back is called 1. Ionosphere, 2. Troposphere, 3. Stratosphere, 4. Exosphere. 57. The atmospheric layer farthest from the Earth's surface is known as 1. Stratosphere, 2. Exosphere, 3. Ionosphere, 4. Mesosphere. 58. The climatic zones are classified on the basis of 1. Distance from the equator, 2. Elevation, 3. Rainfall, 4. Distance from the sea. 59. The main advantage of rain? Water harvesting, RWH, is 1. Recharge groundwater, 2. Avoid floods, 3. Reduce the loss of water, 4. Avoid soil erosion. 60. Subtropical high-pressure belts are otherwise called 1. Furious 50s, 2. Screeching 60s, 3. Hoarse latitudes, 4. Roaring 40s. 61. Atmospheric temperature increasing at the higher altitudes is called 1. Radiation, 2. Inversion, 3. Conduction, 4. Convection. 62. Which of the following reasons is responsible for lack of vegetation in the deserts? 1. Heavy volume of sands, 2. Absence of B-horizon in the soil, 3. High temperature, 4. Lack of rainfall. 63. The humidity of air depends on 1. Temperature, 2. Location, 3. Weather, 4. All of the above. 64. The temperature increases rapidly above 1. ionosphere, 2, exosphere, 3, stratosphere, 4, troposphere, 65. Our atmosphere is divided into layers. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 66. The forests which act as barriers against cyclones are, 1, alpine forests, 2, mangrove forests, 3, evergreen forests, 4, monsoon forests, 67. Cloudburst means, 1, formation of artificial rain, 2, abnormally heavy downpour of rain, associated with thunderstorm, 3, presence of scattered flakes of cloud in the sky, 4, sowing of seeds of a crop in a cloudy weather, 68. Which of the following is false with respect to rainwater harvesting? 1. It is a device of water conservation. 2. It helps raising water table. 3. It helps meet rising water demand. 4. It increases runoff losses. 69. The southeast trade winds are attracted towards the Indian subcontinent in the rainy season due to, 1. The development of cyclone over the equator, 2. The effect of easterlies, 3. The effect of northern east trade winds, 4. The presence of low atmospheric pressure over northwest India, 70. The Mediterranean region are characterized by heavy rain in, 1. Winter, 2. Spring, 3. Autumn, 4. Summer, 71. The layer of atmosphere close to the Earth's surface is called, 1. Exosphere, 2. Troposphere, 3. Stratosphere, 4. Ionosphere, 72. Choose the correct option which represents the arrangement of atmospheric layers. 1. Ionosphere, ecosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, troposphere, 2. Ecosphere, troposphere, ionosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, 3. Mesosphere, ionosphere. Ecosphere, troposphere, stratosphere, 4. Troposphere, ionosphere, ecosphere, 73. Cloudburst means, 1. Sowing of seeds of a crop in cloudy weather. 2. Abnormally heavy downpour of rain, associated with a thunderstorm. 3. Formation of artificial rain. 4. Presence of scattered flakes of cloud in the sky. 74. All vital atmospheric processes leading to various climatic and weather conditions take place in the 1. Stratosphere, 2. Troposphere, 3. Ionosphere, 4. Exosphere, 75. Which is the warmest layer of the atmosphere? 1. Thermosphere, 2. Troposphere, 3. Stratosphere, 4. Mesosphere, 76. Most of the ozone in the Earth's atmosphere is found in the 1. Troposphere, 2. Stratosphere, 3. Mesosphere, 4. Thermosphere, 77. Which of the following is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere? 1. Stratosphere, 2. Mesosphere, 3. Ionosphere, 4. Exosphere, 78. Match List I and List 2 and mark the correct answer. List I. List 2, winds, locations, A. Chinook 1. Alps B. Fain 2. India C. Sirocco 3. USA D. Lu 4. Egypt, 79. In which of the following layer of atmosphere the absorption and scattering of the solar ultraviolet radiation takes place? 1. Troposphere, 2. Stratosphere, 3. Mesosphere, 4. Thermosphere, 80. A level of atmosphere which is composed partly of electrons and positive ions is called, 1. Troposphere, 2. Ionosphere, 3. Stratosphere, 4. Mesosphere, 81. The amount of insolation received at a place on the surface of the Earth depends upon, 1. Its climate, 2. The longitude of the place, 3. Its latitude, 4. The altitude of the place, 82. Which of the following wind is blowing from the Mediterranean Sea to the northwestern parts of India? 1. Western disturbances, 2. Nor'westers, 3, Lu, 4, mango showers, 83. Which layer of the Earth's atmosphere contains the ozone layer? 1. Troposphere, 2. Mesosphere, 3. Ionosphere, 4. Stratosphere, 84. Rainfall caused by intense evaporation in equatorial areas is called _ 1. Orographic rainfall, 2. Cyclonic rainfall, 3. Frontal rainfall, 4. Convectional rainfall, 85. Ultraviolet radiation in the stratosphere is absorbed by 1. SO2, 2. Ozone, 3. Oxygen, 4. Argon, 86. The layer where the decrease in temperature with increasing altitude is totally absent is 1. Troposphere, 2. Ionosphere, 3. Stratosphere, 4. Mesosphere, 87. Precipitation in the form of a mixture of rain and snow is called 1. Drizzle, 2. Hail, 3. Sleet, 4. Snow, 88. Which of the following is /r rain cloud? 1. Cirrus, 2. Nimbostratus, 3. Cumulonimbus, 4. Altocumulus, 1. 1 and 2 only, 2. 2 and 3 only, 3. 3 and 4 only, 4. 1 and 4 only, 89. Ozone layer is formed due to reactions of 1. Oxygen and ultraviolet rays, 2. Carbon dioxide and layers of atmosphere, 3. Cosmic rays and layers of atmosphere, 4. Infrared rays and ultraviolet rays, 90. Which of the following is the lowest atmospheric layer? 1. Lithosphere, 2. Stratosphere, 3. Troposphere, 4. Hydrosphere, 1. What is the interval between a high tide and neap tide at a given place? 1. 12 hours, 2. 12 hours 26 minutes, 3. 15 hours 30 minutes, 4. 24 hours, 2. The seabed sloping gradually and bordering the continent is known as 1. Coast, 2. Continental shelf, 3. Continental platform, 4. Continental slope, 3. A special type of well in which water rises automatically under the pressure of a column of water to the ground surface through a hole is known as 1. Artesian well, 2. Spring, 3. Hot spring, 4. Geyser, 4. Which of the following oceans has the shape of the English alphabet S? 1. Arctic Ocean, 2. Indian Ocean, 3. Atlantic Ocean, 4. Pacific Ocean, 5. Which from the following is a landlocked sea? 1. Timor Sea, 2. Arafura Sea, 3. Greenland Sea, 4. Aral Sea, 6. A place where there is constant intermingling of salt water and fresh water is _ 1. Estuary, 2. Delta, 3. Gulf, 4. Bay, 7. The deepest ocean of the world is 1. Atlantic Ocean, 2. Arctic Ocean, 3. Indian Ocean, 4. Pacific Ocean, 8. Tides in the sea have stored in them 1. Hydraulic energy. Statistical investigators, 2. Kinetic energy, 3. Gravitational potential energy, 4. A combination of all the above three forms of energy, 9. The deepest surface depression on the Earth is 1. Kuril Trench, 2. Mariana Trench, 3. Tunga Kermadec Trench, 4. Bentley Subglacial, 10. Echo sounding is the technique applied to 1. Measure the depth of the sea, 2. Measure the amplitude of sound waves, 3. Record earthquake waves, 4. Record the density of air in the atmosphere, 11. El Niño is 1. A warm ocean current, 2. Sea storm, 3. Tropical disturbance, 4. Another name of typhoon, 12. The narrow stretch of water connecting two seas is called 1. Bay, 2. Peninsula, 3. Isthmus, 4. Strait, 13. The largest ocean is 1. Atlantic Ocean, 2. Indian Ocean, 3. Arctic Ocean, 4, Pacific Ocean, 14. Which current is responsible for increase in the temperature of the Western Europe? 1. Labrador Current, 2. Gulf Stream, 3. Canary Current, 4. North Equatorial Current, 15. Tsunamis are caused by 1. Mixing of cold and warm currents, 2. Earthquakes, 3. Changes in sea level, 4. Volcanic eruption, 16. Seismic sea waves which approach the coasts at greater force are known as 1. Tides, 2. Tsunami, 3. Current, 4. Cyclone, 17. Which of the following is a cold ocean current? 1. Humboldt Current, 2. Brazil Current, 3. Oyashio Current, 4. Canary Current, 18. Sea breezes formed during 1. Daytime, 2. Nighttime, 3. Both, 4. Seasonal, 19. The coral reefs are the marine counterparts of 1. Temperate forests, 2. Tropical rainforests, 3. Savannas, 4. Scrubland, 20. The deepest ocean is 1. Arctic, 2. Pacific, 3. Atlantic, 4. Indian, 21. Two seas or water bodies connected by a narrow stretch of water is known as a 1. Bay, 2. Strait, 3. Peninsula, 4. Isthmus, 22. Waves approaching the shore is known as 1. Swash, 2. Tsunami, 3. Currents, 4. Tide, 23. Atoll is a kind of 1. Sand dune, 2. Lake, 3. Sandbar, 4. Inland sea, 24. The coastal part of water bodies of the oceans which is structurally part of the mainland of the continents is called the 1. Isthmus, 2. Oceanic ridge, 3. Continental shelf, 4. Continental slope, 25. Which one of the following is not a cold ocean current? 1. California, 2. Oyashio, 3. Kuroshio, 4. Gonarise, 26. The term territorial water means 1. The water found within the country in form of rivers and lakes, 2. The water secured from other countries, 3. The water which is supplied to other countries, 4. Water of the sea located close to the coast of a country, 27. The ocean which touches the Asian and American shores is 1. Atlantic, 2. Indian, 3. Antarctic, 4. Pacific, 28. Which from the following can cause a tsunami? 1. Volcano, 2. Avalanche, 3. Tornado, 4. Earthquake, 29. The coastal part of water bodies of the oceans which is structurally part of the mainland of the continents is called 1. Isthmus, 2. Oceanic ridge, 3. Continental shelf, 4. Continental slope, 30. Mariana Trench is found in 1. Atlantic Ocean, 2. Pacific Ocean, 3. Indian Ocean, 4. Arctic Ocean, 31. Which one of the following ocean currents does not occur in Atlantic Ocean? 1. Gulf Stream, 2. Brazil Current, 3. Peru Current, 4. Canary Current, 32. The main cause of tsunami is 1. Volcanoes, 2. Cyclones, 3. Earthquake on seafloor, 4. Moon's attraction, 33. Tides are caused by the gravitational pull of the 1. Earth on the Moon, 2. Earth on the Sun, 3. Sun and Moon on the Earth, 4. Moon on the Earth, 34. Tides in the sea are caused by 1. Effect of Sun, 2. Effect of Moon, 3. Combined effect of Moon and Sun, 4. Gravitational force of Earth and Sun, 35. Sea water is saltier than rainwater because 1. Rivers wash away salts from earth and pour them into the sea, 2. Seabeds have salt-producing mines, 3. Sea animals are salt-producing, 4. The air around the sea is saltish, 36. In sea, plants are restricted up to the depth of 1. 20 m, 2. 200 m, 3. 1000 m, 4. 2000 m, 37. El Niño occurs over 1. Atlantic Ocean, 2. Indian Ocean, 3. Pacific Ocean, 4. Mediterranean Sea, 38. The Sargasso Sea is situated in the 1. Atlantic Ocean, 2. Pacific Ocean, 3. Indian Ocean, 4. Arctic Ocean, 39. The eastward continuation of the Brazil Current is called 1. South Atlantic Drift, 2. Counter-equatorial drift, 3. West Atlantic Drift, 4. North Atlantic Drift, 40. The rapidly growing mass of phytoplankton covering the surface water of a lake or pond is known as 1. Eutrophication, 2. Water bloom, 3. Water pollution, 4. Water hyacinth, 41. Which one of the following is a warm ocean current? 1. Coral, 2. Canary, 3. Labrador, 4. Gulf Stream, 42. The rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice in a day is called 1. Tide, 2. Ocean current, 3. Wave, 4. Water cycle, 43. Neap tides are 1. Strong, 2. Weak, 3. Medium, 4. Very strong, 44. The ocean with the largest surface area is 1. Arctic Ocean, 2. Atlantic Ocean, 3. Indian Ocean, 4. Pacific Ocean, 45. The largest current, because of its dark waters, is known as the Black Current, and that is 1. Gulf Stream, 2. Kuroshio Current, 3. California Current, 4. Antarctic Current, 46. Spring tides occur on 1. New moon day only, 2. Full moon day as well as on new moon day, 3. Full moon day only, 4. The day when the moon's position is in its first quarter, 47. Best way to conserve our water resources: 1. Rainwater harvesting, 2. Sustainable water utilization, 3. Encouragement of natural regeneration of vegetation, 4. All of the options mentioned here. 48. The smallest ocean is 1. Atlantic, 2. Pacific, 3. Indian, 4. Arctic, 49. How much of world's surface is covered by water? 1. 55%, 2. 70%, 3. 80%, 4. 25%, 50. The largest reservoir of fresh water is 1. Glaciers, 2. Groundwater, 3. Ponds, 4. Lakes, 51. A semi-enclosed coastal body of water which has a free connection with the open sea is called 1. Estuary, 2. Fjord, 3. Cove, 4. Ria coast, 52. The El Niño phenomena, which sparks climatic extreme around the globe, originates in the 1. Sea of China, 2. Pacific Ocean, 3. Indian Ocean, 4. Atlantic Ocean, 53. Terrigenous deposits are found in 1. Deep sea plain, 2. Ocean trenches, 3. Rift valley, 4. Continental shelf and slope, 54. El Niño that affects our monsoons has its origins in 1. The Indian Ocean, 2. The Himalayan Plateau, 3. The Pacific Ocean, 4. The Arabian Peninsula, 55. Where is the Great Barrier Reef located? 1. Pacific Ocean, 2. Indian Ocean, 3. Atlantic Ocean, 4. Arctic Ocean, 56. A wide inlet of the sea, usually concave in shape, is termed as a 1. Strait, 2. Sound, 3. Bay, 4. Fjord, 57. The gentle seaward sloping surface from the coasts is called 1. Continental shelf, 2. Continental rise, 3. Abyssal plains, 4. Submarine ridges, 58. Ring of fire is found commonly in __, 1. Pacific Ocean, 2, Atlantic Ocean, 3, Indian Ocean, 4, Arctic Ocean, 59. Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef, is located in 1. Caribbean Islands, 2. Australia, 3. Philippines, 4. Indonesia, 60. The deepest trench of the Indian Ocean is 1. Java Trench, 2. Aleutian Trench, 3. Atacama Trench, 4. Tizard Trench, 61. Tsunami is the name given to which of the following? 1. Earthquake, 2. Cyclone, 3. Tidal waves, 4. Undersea waves, 62. The tides in the sea are primarily due to 1. The atmospheric effect of the Earth, 2. The gravitational effect of Venus on the Earth, 3. The gravitational effect of the Sun on the Earth, 4. The gravitational effect of the Moon on the Earth, 63. A stretch of sea water, partly or fully separated by a narrow strip from the main sea, is called 1. Bay, 2. Isthmus, 3. Lagoon, 4. Strait, 1. Laterite soil develops as a result of 1. Deposits of alluvial, 2. Deposits of loess, 3. Leaching, 4. Continued vegetation cover, 2. The soil water which is of the greatest importance to the plant life is 1. Gravitational water, 2. Capillary water, 3. Hygroscopic water, 4. Combined water, 3. The color of loamy soil is 1. Greenish brown, 2. Bluish green, 3. Yellowish brown, 4. Blackish brown, 4. Laterite soils are found in area where 1. Normal temperature and rainfall is less, 2. Temperature is high and rainfall is heavy, 3. Temperature is low and rainfall is nominal, 4. Temperature is high and rainfall is normal, 5. The soil conservation method in which mountain slope is cut into step is 1. Contour plowing, 2. Cover planting, 3. Strip cropping, 4. Terracing, 6. For the cultivation of tobacco, the soil should be rich in 1. Calcareous matter, 2. Nitrogen, 3. Organic content, 4. Potash, 7. Which of the following types of soil is best suited for cotton cultivation? 1. Black, 2. Red, 3. Laterite, 4. Mountain, 8. The soil which originate under tall grass prairie vegetation is called 1. Black soils, 2. Chestnut soils, 3. Chernozem soils, 4. Terra rosa soils, 9. Mountain soil contains a lot of 1. Humus, 2. Clay, 3. Coarse material, 4. Iron and aluminium salt, 10. Which of the following methods does not help in conserving soil fertility and moisture? 1. Contour plowing, 2. Dry farming, 3. Strip cropping, 4. Shifting agriculture, 11. Which one of the following methods of soil conservation is most effective in arid areas? 1. Mulching, 2. Shelter belt, 3. Gully plugging, 4. Terracing, 12. Which one of the following does not cause soil erosion? 1. Deflation, 2. Deforestation, 3. Weathering, 4. Overcropping, 13. Soil erosion on hill slopes can be checked by 1. Afforestation, 2. Terrace cultivation, 3. Strip cropping, 4. Contour plowing, 14. The crop mainly grown in hills is 1. Sweet corn, 2. Sweet jowar, 3. Sweet potato, 4. Sweet pea, 15. Which one of the following practices is adopted for restoring the fertility of soil? 1. Weeding, 2. Leveling, 3. Fallowing, 4. Harrowing, 16. Which is a tropical food crop requiring a temperature of 270 C and a rainfall more than 100 centimeters? 1. Wheat, 2. Maize, 3. Rice, 4. Barley, 17. Coffee is a 1. Subtropical shrub, 2. Warm temperate shrub, 3. Tropical shrub, 4. Cool temperate shrub, 18. Contour plowing helps in 1. Stopping floods, 2. Growing crops, 3. Soil conservation, 4. Checking landslides, 19. Black soil is mainly related with the crop of 1. Cotton, 2. Sugarcane, 3. Tea, 4. Coffee, 20. Humus is a type of 1. Fossil seen on the rocks, 2. Decaying organic matters in soil, 3. Fertilizers applied in soil, 4. Special growth found in plants, 21. The significant quantity of upper soil is formed by 1. Igneous rock, 2. Sedimentary rock, 3. Metamorphic rock, 4. Biological degradation, 22. In a desert region, soil erosion can be checked by 1. Tree plantation/afforestation, 2. Crop rotation, 3. Contour plowing, 4. Using farm manure, 23. Alluvial soils are usually I. Rich in nitrogen, 2. Poor in humus, 3. Highly fertile, 4. Easy to plow, 1. I. 2. And 4. 2. 2. 3. And 4. 3. I. 3. And 4. 4. I. 2. And 3. 24. The land which is not cultivated every year though it is suitable for cultivation, 1. Wasteland, 2. Pasture land, 3. Fallow land, 4. Cultivable wasteland, 25. The organic matter present in soil is known collectively as 1. Hydrocarbons, 2. Podsols, 3. Humus, 4. Colloids, 26. Which one the following soils is used for the production of bricks? 1. Peaty and organic, 2. Saline, 3. Laterite, 4. Red and yellow, 27. Plantation of trees on a large scale to check soil erosion are called 1. Shelter belts, 2. Contour plowing, 3. Strip cropping, 4. Afforestation, 28. Soil formed by leaching and oxidation is 1. Black soil, 2. Laterite soil, 3. Red soil, 4. Montane soil, 29. Soil which is prone to intensive leaching due to rain is called 1. Laterite, 2. Black, 3. Alluvial, 4. Red, 30. Soil factors are otherwise known as 1. Edaphic factors, 2. Biotic factors, 3. Physiographic factors, 4. Climatic factors, 31. Highly specialized form of agriculture in which crops like coffee, tea, and rubber are cultivated refer to 1. Multiple cropping, 2. Plantation agriculture, 3. Terrace farming, 4. Extensive farming, 32. Identify the most infertile amongst the following soils. 1. Black cotton soil, 2. Alluvial soil, 3. Laterite soil, 4. Peaty soil, 33. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? 1. Khadar, zonal soil, 2. Podzol, zonal soil, 3. Chestnut, zonal soil, 4. Bungar, azonal soil, 34. In a desert region, soil erosion can be checked by 1. Contour plowing, 2. Using farm manure, 3. Tree plantation/afforestation, 4. Crop rotation, 35. Terra rossa is a Latin word which means 1. Hot area, 2. Red terrain, 3. Lateritic region, 4. Region near the poles, 36. The soils which are rich in calcium are known as 1. Pedocalcies, 2. Pedal-fers, 3. Podsols, 4. Laterites, 37. Soil erosion can be prevented by 1. Increasing bird population, 2. Afforestation, 3. Removal of vegetation, 4. Overgrazing, 38. Who of the following has given the term rhizosphere? 1. Garrett, 2. Alexopoulos, 3. Hildner, 4. None of the given options, 39. The Asha, gray soils of high latitude coniferous forests are known as 1. Tundra soils, 2. Podsols, 3. Gray, brown soils, 4. Red and yellow soils, 40. The remedies to soil erosion are contour bunding, 2. Regulation of land use, 3. Cutting of trees, 4. Allowing grazing of animals, 1. 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 41. In which region is terrace farming done? 1. Dry regions, 2. Slope of hills, 3. Mountain tops, 4. Rooftops, 42. Alluvial soils are rich soil for crop cultivation but are poor in 1. Humus, 2. Nitrogen and humus, 3. Organic material, 4. Inorganic material, 43. Bamboo is classified as 1. Tree, 2. Grass, 3. Shrub, 4. Herb, 44. The transfer of minerals from topsoil to subsoil through soil water is called 1. Percolation, 2. Conduction, 3. Leaching, 4. Transpiration, 45. Black soil is also known by which of the following name? 1. Khadar soil, 2. Bangar soil, 3. Alluvial soil, 4. Rigur soil, 46. Salination of soil is caused by 1. Pesticides, 2. Soil erosion, 3. Excess irrigation, 4. Crop rotation, 47. Which one of the following is the indirect use of forests? 1. Medicinal plants, 2. Checking soil erosion, 3. Building material, 4. Grazing, 1. In order to prevent the expansion of deserts, trees are planted in strips or blocks with the shortest trees on the desert side and tallest on the other side. Such plantation is called 1. Shelter belts, 2. Agroforests, 3. Windbreaks, 4. Social forests, 2. The food chain refers to the transfer of energy from 1. The interior of the earth to the surface, 2. Lower to higher latitudes, 3. One organism to another, 4. Organisms of the land to those of the sea by means of river, 3. The presence of a lion in the forest is essential in order to 1. Keep the trees safe from felling, 2. Add beauty in the forests, 3. Save the pastures from being overgrazed, 4. Keep other carnivorous animals away, 4. Which one is not a non-conventional energy source? 1. Nuclear energy, 2. Solar energy, 3. Wind energy, 4. Tidal power, 5. The Montreal Protocol 1987 refers to 1. Saving the biodiversity of our planet, 2. Signing of an accord on the peaceful uses of atomic energy, 3. Signing of an accord on keeping the Antarctica as a nuclear-free zone, 4. Saving the ozone layer from destruction by reducing the use of CFCs, 6. Trees are leafless for a shorter or longer season of the year in 1. Evergreen forest, 2. Mangrove forest, 3. Scrub jungle forest, 4. Deciduous forest, 7. Snakes and vultures are eating rats in a field. If wild dogs are let into the field, what will be the immediate result? 1. Decrease in the number of snakes, 2. Decrease in the number of vultures, 3. Decrease in the number of rats, 4. Increase in the number of snakes. 8. Coastal Andhra Pradesh and Orissa often face natural disasters due to 1. Cyclones, 2. Earthquakes, 3. Landslides, 4. Tornadoes, 9. The main cause of global climatic change is 1. Increase in the content of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, 2. Emissions of industrial gases, 3. adding of dust, 4, changes in plant cover, 10. The sphere of living matter together with water, air, and soil on the surface of the earth is known as 1. Lithosphere, 2. Biosphere, 3. Hydrosphere, 4. Atmosphere, 11. Green accounting means measuring the national income of the country taking into account estimation of 1. The total forest area of the country, 2. The destruction of forest cover of the country, 3. Pollution and environmental damage, 4. Area of reclaimed fallow land, 12. Which one of the following is an abiotic and renewable resource? 1. Iron ore, 2. Livestock, 3. Water, 4. Forests, 13. The largest ecosystem of the earth is 1. Biome, 2. Hydrosphere, 3. Lithosphere, 4. Biosphere, 14. An artificial ecosystem is represented by 1. Pisciculture tank, 2. Agricultural land, 3. Zoo, 4. Aquarium, 15. Which is the most stable ecosystem? 1. Desert, 2. Ocean, 3. Mountain, 4. Forest, 16. An ecosystem consists of 1. Producers, consumers, and decomposers in a particular area. 2. All the plants and animals of an area. 3. A living community and its environment. 4. Carnivorous and herbivorous of an area, 17. Which one of the following is a greenhouse gas? 1. Oxygen, 2. Nitrogen, 3. Carbon dioxide, 4. Ozone, 18. An ecological system is a 1. Biological system, 2. Biogeochemical system, 3. Physicochemical system, 4. Bioecological system, 19. In predation between I. A lion and a deer, 2. A snake and a frog, 3. A lizard and an insect and 4. An owl and a rat, which predator will have greater control over its prey? 1. Lion, 2. Owl, 3. Snake, 4. Lizard, 20. After which one of the following tribes of India has a large continent of ancient geological history of the world been named? 1. Sandhals, 2. Bhils, 3. Marias, 4. Gonds, 21. Evergreen rainforest is mainly found in regions having well-distributed annual rainfall, 1. Below 50 centimeters, 2. 50 to 100 centimeters, 3. 100 to 200 centimeters, 4. More than 200 centimeters, 22. Mangrove forests occur in 1. High mountains, 2. Snowy plains, 3. Coastal swamps, 4. Interior plateaus, 23. To which natural vegetation belt do sal and teak trees belong? 1. Temperate forests, 2. Equatorial forests, 3. Tropical deciduous forests, 4. Mixed forests, 24. The distribution of characteristic vegetation of a region is determined mainly by 1. Soil, water, and temperature, 2. Water, greenhouse effect, and altitude, 3. Wind, water, and latitude, 4. Sunlight, water, and wind, 25. What makes an ecosystem? 1. A living community and its environment, 2. All the plants and animals of an area, 3. Carnivores and herbivores of an area, 4. Producers, consumers, and decomposers in a particular locality, 26. Source of energy in ecosystem is 1. Sun, 2. Green plants, 3. Sugar produced in photosynthesis, 4. ATP, 27. The area reserved for the welfare of wildlife is called 1. Sanctuary, 2. Forest, 3. National Park, 4. Botanical Garden, 28. There is a need to keep larger area under forests for 1. Absorption of carbon dioxide, 2. Protecting wildlife, 3. Raising precipitation, 4. Geological balance, 29. Dumping of solid waste in low-lying areas. Earth cover is called as 1. Sanitary landfilling, 2. Open dumping, 3. Composting, 4. Incineration, 30. The cause of loss of forest cover is 1. Agriculture, 2. Building industry, 3. Increasing population, 4. Tourism and pilgrimage, 31. Greenhouse effect means 1. Pollution in houses in tropical regions, 2. Trapping of solar energy due to atmospheric oxygen, 3. Trapping of solar energy due to atmospheric carbon dioxide, 4. Cultivation in greenhouses so as to check pollution, 32. A natural region has the similarity of 1. Climate and natural vegetation, 2. Climate and occupation, 3. Soil and drainage, 4. Economic base and recs, 33. Global warming is expected to result in 1. Increase in level of sea, 2. Change in crop pattern, 3. Change in coastline, 4. All of the above, 34. Man can maintain an ecological balance in the biosphere by 1. Deforestation, 2. Developing new breeds of cultivated plants and domesticated animals, 3. Using insecticides and pesticides, 4. Understanding the delicate balance in the relative number of organisms, 35. Which of the following exhibits unidirectional flow in an ecosystem? 1. Light, 2. Energy, 3. Water, 4. Biomass, 36. Which of the following exhibits unidirectional flow in an ecosystem? 1. Light, 2. Energy, 3. Water, 4. Biomass, 37. Rubber plantations are found in 1. Temperate forests, 2. Mountain regions, 3. Polar regions, 4. Equatorial regions, 38. Tidal forest is otherwise called 1. Evergreen forest, 2. Monsoon forest, 3. Mangrove forest, 4. Coniferous forest, 39. All the ecosystems taken together in a geographical area form a bigger unit called 1. Biosphere, 2. Territory, 3. Biome, 4. Community, 40. The word biosphere refers to 1. Zone of soil, water, and air around Earth capable of supporting the flora and fauna. 2. Part of Earth's surface which can support the flora. 3. Parts of air around Earth where life can exist. 4. Zone of water on Earth which can support life. 41. Which of the following metals contribute to biomagnification problem in the ecosystem? 1. Mercury, 2. Chromium, 4. Copper, 4. Lead, 42. What is the percentage coverage of tropical forest on Earth's land mass? 1. 7, 2, 12, 3, 17, 4, 25, 43. The fur of the animals living in colder regions, 1. Protects them from water, 2. Traps the air and keeps them warm, 3. Protects them from enemies, 4. Makes them appear beautiful, 44. Which of the following phenomena is supposedly associated with global warming? 1. Southern oscillations, 2. El Niño, 3. La Niña, 4. The Niño Modoki, 45. Which of the following is a renewable resource? 1. Coal, 2. Mineral oil, 3. Natural gas, 4. Forests, 46. Taiga means 1. Deciduous forests, 2. Coniferous forests, 3. Grasslands, 4. Deserts, 47. Virtually treeless, sparse vegetation is found in 1. Taiga, 2. Alpine, 3. Tundra, 4. Chaparral, 48. Name the condition which influences the development of plants into distinctive forms. 1. Climatic conditions, 2. Soil conditions, 3. Environmental conditions, 4. Social conditions, 49. Species which has restricted distribution is called 1. Ecospecies, 2. Endemic, 3. Sympatric, 4. Allopatric, 50. The space retaining life in any form is called 1. Biomass, 2. Biosphere, 3. Lithosphere, 4. Hydrosphere, 51. Which of the following is a biological method of soil conservations? 1. Contour farming, 2. Contour terracing, 3. Gully control, 4. Basin listing, 52. With what bioregion is the term steppe associated? 1. Grasslands, 2. Tropical forests, 3. Savanna, 4. Coniferous forests, 53. Tropical rainforest is characterized by 1. Absence of trees, 2. Least productivity, 3. Maximum biodiversity, 4. Minimum biodiversity, 54. Natural sources of air pollution are 1. Forest fires, 2. Volcanic eruptions, 3. Dust storm, 4. Smoke from burning dry leaves, 55. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of ecosystem in the order of decreasing productivity? 1. Oceans, mangroves, lakes, grassland, 2. Mangroves, oceans, grassland, lakes, 3. Oceans, lakes, grassland, mangroves, 4. Mangroves, grasslands, lakes, oceans, 56. Evergreen type forests are found in 1. Mediterranean region, 2. Monsoon climatic area, 3. Desert region, 4. Equatorial region, 57. The maximum biodiversity is found in 1. Tropical rainforests, 2. Temperate forests, 3. Coniferous forests, 4. Arctic forest, 58. In underscore forests, trees shed their leaves in a particular sun. 1. Evergreen, 2. Mangrove, 3. Deciduous, 4. Thorny, 59. Biosphere refers to 1. The area of the land inhabited by living organism, 2. The part of ocean inhabited by plants and animals, 3. The portion of the earth, including the oceans, the land, the soil, and the atmosphere inhabited by living organisms, 4. The atmosphere surrounding the living organisms, 60. Which of the following phenomena is supposedly associated with global warming? 1. El Niño, 2. La Niña, 3. El Niño Modoki, 4. Southern Oscillation, 1. The one who is engaged in scientific drawing of maps is called 1. Geographer, 2. Cartographer, 3. Meteorologist, 4. Geologist, 2. The science of map making is 1. Cartography, 2. Geography, 3. Carpology, 4. Geology, 3. Instrument used for measuring area on maps is called 1. Planimeter, 2. Ideograph, 3. Pantograph, 4. Opsisometer, 4. The land of maximum biodiversity is 1. Tropical, 2. Temperate, 3. Monsoonal, 4. Equatorial, 5. Who coined the word geography? 1. Ptolemy, 2. Eratosthenes, 3. Hakatos, 4. Herodotus, 6. The art and science of map making is called 1. Remote sensing, 2. Cartography, 3. Photogrammetry, 4. Mapping, 7. Which one of the following organizations is responsible for publishing topographical sheets? 1. Geological Survey of India, GSI, 2. National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization, NATMO. 3. Indian Meteorological Department, IMD, 4. Survey of India, SOI, 8. What is the alternate name for contour lines? 1. Isopotential, 2. Isotherm, 3. Isohypsy, 4. Isohyet, 9. Contours are imaginary lines showing 1. Places of equal atmospheric pressure, 2. Same temperature areas, 3. places of equal altitudes. 4. Equal sunshine areas. 10. The imaginary lines joining places of same height at equal intervals are 1. Hatching, 2. Contours, 3. Spot heights, 4. Isomers, 11. Imaginary lines joining places with same temperature are called 1. Isobars, 2. Isohyates, 3. Isohalines, 4. Isotherms, higher secondary, 12. What is meant by the term midnight sun? 1. Twilight, 2. Rising sun, 3. Very bright moon, 4. Sun shining in the polar circle for long time, 13. The well through which water comes out through hydraulic pressure is called 1. Ordinary well, 2. Tube well, 3. Deep tube well, 4. Artesian well, 14. Maps on large scale, representing both natural and man-made features are called 1. Wall maps, 2. Topographic maps, 3. Thematic maps, 4. Atlas maps, 15. Contour line is the imaginary line joining places of equal 1. Rainfall, 2. Humidity, 3. Elevation, 4. Temperature, 16. The primary goal of planning for disasters is to reduce 1. Death, 2. Damage, 3. Risk, 4. Vulnerability.
Sun, Judges, ஆதி பொது அறிவு சேனலை பார்த்த அனைவருக்கும் நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றோம். அடுத்த வீடியோவில் சந்திப்போம்.